Good evening, YouTube friends. This evening I'm going to do a little job. I've only been able to do it now because it's only just arrived from Amazon. But we bought a lovely old table now. We did have a table, but the legs for it didn't arrive, so God knows what happened. They must have left them in the garage. But I love this table. We both love this table, and what we love about it is we've got a Victorian house, and the table just fits in there so beautifully, and it's well made, not like some of the furniture that is made today. So we were delighted with it. I'll just show you. Excuse the state of the room because we haven't moved in long and we're still trying to sort out. But those are the chairs, which I love, and this is the table, which is beautiful. I'll stand up and then you'll be able to see it better. It has these lovely legs, and the drawers are like that, which is lovely, and there's a drawer at each end. We got 6 chairs, so that'd be nice if we get company. But yeah, absolutely love it. So what I've been doing, when it came, I don't think it had a finish on the top, although it had been painted. So we bought some varnish, and I've already given it one coat. So this is the varnish, Ronseal clear matte, and it's meant to be really strong, you know, durable, which we want. I mean, this area, there's the big window there, which let a lot of lovely light in during the day. There's an American freezer there. But this is a room that Helen will enjoy doing her cookery videos and things like that. We bought a shelving unit there for all the kilner jars and stuff like that. But the amount of cardboard that we've ended up with trying to get rid of, honestly. We've paid somebody twice already to collect a load, but anyway, I'll start at this bit now. Let's get the first bit going. See the nice shine on it, can't you? Probably this second coat will make it shine a bit more. The first one probably just soaks straight in. I like the smell of wood. So yeah, I've got another little, this edge bit you can see here where there's no shine. Just got to finish that. But I'll put a coat, a bit to get you started like that on there, and then drag it down. Put a little bit extra down this side bit here. Doesn't take that long to do, does it? But at least it can be drying. It says it's quick drying, but I'd rather it be like left overnight after it's already had 2 coats. And it'll definitely be sorted, ready for another couple of coats tomorrow. table, all varnished. I've always loved pottering around doing little jobs like that, or you know, making something of old furniture really. I've got into, since we've moved here, going to the local auction, which I absolutely love. I love tinkering around and seeing what's there, how much it goes for, what people are interested in. And I've got a couple of things there actually. I got a little chest of drawers which I've painted. Because they were narrow, they would fit in a part of the house that, you know, would be useful, and we need the storage really. We come from the other house to a house that, although we've got a built-in wardrobe in the bedroom, none of the other rooms have got any built-in stuff, so we've had to try and find ways. You know, we'll get it sorted out, it's just that it takes a while, doesn't it? But I'll show you the drawers. These are the little drawers that I got, and I painted them up, but they're perfect. There's 1, 2, 3, 7 drawers they've got in them. Helen's got some of her things in there, but nice little drawers, look. I think it was £12 I paid for that. Plus I had to buy a tin of paint, but yeah, I really like that.